Sir, am I audible? Hello? 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 Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very
Hello,
good.
sir. Good
See,
afternoon, sir.
now solving the linear equations using the matrix method. So, direct method first is see, direct method or indirect method, iterative. That I will come when I will reach there. I will explain what is the iterative method, what is the meaning of iteration. Now, direct method already linear equation. Suppose take solution 1 by these equations are there. Means already in ninth standard level or 10th standard, 10th you are done actually using determinant method or cross multiplication method solved actually. Some one equation from both you can remove y and go back and substitute x. Suppose if you have more than 2 variables, more than 3, more than 10, whatever maybe 100 variables also we can solve. But using matrix method, how we will do? First is what Gauss method. Gauss elimination. These are the direct methods. Gauss elimination method and Gauss Jordan is direct methods. Direct methods. Gauss elimination and Gauss Jordan method is what? Direct methods. So this they will use some linear equations, bunch of variables, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe 5 variables means minimum how many equations I need? How many equations I need?
5, sir.
Five, sir.
Minimum 5 I need. 5 variables, minimum 5. 6 means well and good, but 4 means I can't actually. Correct or not? Suppose x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, x5 means what? 5 unknowns means what? I need 5 conditions means 5 equations I can able to attack actually. Correct or not? 6 unknowns means what? Minimum 6 equations. More than above 6 also okay, well and good. But less than means is tedious. Okay. Now first we do Gauss elimination. If they give like this means what? First you can form the matrix. Just 2 by 2 giving actually you will have 3 by 3, 4 by 4 also. Maybe MCQ means what? Small matrix also. Just we start with 2 by 2 but we go further. By luckily if you come back here by final exam, you write normal exam. No doubt. If it is core tatra means already you know you are familiar how to write exam and everything. Last semester you are done. So we both we prepare actually as well as if you come here also we can attack the problem. If you don't come also, you can write the exam. Now first is what you know how to say fun. Right, this matrix 1, 1, 2, 5. This is small level. Ax is equal to bx is equal to a inverse b like this you are done. Now this you can write augment matrix. First we are doing Gauss elimination. Direct method what I am doing? Gauss elimination method. So I fix the solution, I form the equation. They will give equation actually. You don't expect always you get numerator minus 1, 2, 3 also. You may get 1.5, 1.6 also because numerical methods, you know. So first you form the matrix actually. It's called augment matrix. Augment matrix means this is A, this is B. Normally you write in small school every X is equal to B. X is the unknown. Correct answer. Now this augment matrix A is equal to B means what is totally is called augment matrix. Actually, what is the meaning of augment? Up to today you have actually 5 dresses. Suppose tomorrow is a festival. You can ask God, your parents, daddy, mummy, I need one dress means what they may buy new dress.
Excuse me, sir.
New dress is joining with old dress is called augment actually. Both
Sir, we
together is
can't
called
hear you
augment.
clearly.
Yes, I'm not
Sir, we
able
can't
to.
hear you clearly.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
What?
we can't hear you clearly, sir.
Wait.
Volume is very low, sir. We can't hear you.
Wait. Fan is stop. I'm not stopped fan. Okay. Wait. Now okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Fan. Sorry, I forgot to stop fan actually. Okay. Argument means what? Argument matrix means what? Newly it reaches to old things actually. Up to festival 5 dress. In festival if I buy one new dress means what? This one is what? Augment to old 5. This is called A semicolon B. This is called augment matrix. The whole thing I will write. Now, what is telling Gauss means what? Actually 2 by 2 giving actually more matrix means you will enjoy. First you can write number below 0. In first column, number make below 0 to the right number below 0 I can write. On diagonals you can keep numbers below zeros you can write. Then what you will get operate you can do row operations. Maximum try to do row operation. Don't go for the column. You will get confused. If you do column means what the variable position will be changed. So what I will do. R1 gives this is not similar to what does it mean? The previous matrix, previous R1 is R1. So 1, 1, 1. My R2 from previous matrix R2, I want to make this is 0. So what you will do?
-2.
Yes.
R2 minus 2 R1.
Very good. That fully can tell R2 minus 2R. Next, one thing you can remember. It's not a restriction. If you want to make first column zeros, means use only first row. Don't go for any rows. With the first row, you can subtract or minus plus or something you can do. Operate with always first row. If you want to make second column zero, means what? Use always second row. Third column, if you want to make zeros, means use always third column. Why I will tell you actually. Because this is 2 by 2, I cannot do too much explanation. Next problem I will explain. Okay. Now R2 use what? R2 minus 2R1. What do we get? 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 2?
3.
3. 7 minus 2?
5.
Huh?
5.
Wait, correct or not? 1 plus, sorry, this is 2. Now?
3.
3. Number below 0 to the right number. If it ends, otherwise you can stop. This is called actually. Now what you will do? My R2 gives.
Sir, but
This is
in
what?
the second step,
Yes?
for the second step, it should be 1, 1 and 2, right? On the first row.
Sorry, this is 2. Thank you. Thank you. Now R2 gives what? This is what actually y. So 3y is equal to 3. Then y is equal to what? 1. From R1, how can you write? R1 gives what? x plus y is equal to 2. Already y1 value I know, x plus 1 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1. Solution is what? X is equal to 1, comma, and y is equal to 1. So Gauss elimination means what? One number below 0. Second is what? Diagonal number below 0. Below 0, below 0 you can bring. You will get the solution. Just note down. Next we go for 3 by 3. You will understand clearly. As why I given 2 by 2 matrix, maybe MCQ there are a chance very small problems actually. These are naturally they won't ask in final exam. If you write here offline, because there are a chance to get online questions, small MCQ they are asking, you know. First assignment also I posted in our GCR sir by before 16th try to complete. I will complete within 2-3 days. I will complete the syllabus. This first unit will complete. Then do. Take one question. No, I will do. Solve the following system by Gaussian element method. Elimination method. Solve the following system by Gaussian elimination method. X1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1 minus 3x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 is equal to minus 6. 2x1 minus 5x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 5. Already you studied in +2 level, I think so. Rank using rank of A is equal to rank of argument is equal to number of variables given system as a unique solution. Studied or not? Remember or not? Anyone have remember math studied or not, you people? You automobile, you know.
Sir, can you move a little bit? Sorry, you're covering the board.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you.
Now okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now tell answer. Are you studied in +2 level? Matrices. This Gauss also is studied, I think so. In Tamil Nadu State Board is there, Andhra Board is there, CBS also, I don't. So, okay, anyway we do. Copied. Using Gauss elimination is asked. Now what will prepare? First you can prepare argument matrix. Argument matrix, how can you write? One. This constants also can write. This is A, this is B. Then -3, 2, -3, -6. 2, -5, 4, 5. Carefully you can do matrices. How many times you will do, you will make mistakes. I will do lot of mistakes while doing. 1, -1, 1, 1. -3, 2, -3. -6, 2, -1, 4, 5. If small symbol also changes, we want to break our head actually. We want to break it. Now, what I told, first listen. Number below 0, these two places you can break 0. To the right number, you can make 0. So, what hint I given? If you want to make first column 0, use what? What I said?
First row, sir.
First, if you use first column 0, use first row. If you want to make second column 0, use second row. If you want to make in third column 0, use third row. Standardly you can keep in your mind. You never make mistake. Now, 1 is there. If somebody is not there, means they will bring no need actually. This coefficients you can multiply, you will bring the 0 down. No problem. Now, operations you can tell what you will do. R1 gives R1. My R2 gives what? I want to make this fellow 0, this fellow 0. R2 gives what?
R2 plus 3R1.
Very good, nice. R2 plus 3R1. My R3 gives, I want to make here 0. R3
Minus 2R1.
2R1. Very good. Thank you. So keep in mind, first column zeros means always use first one. 1. This R1 there is no change. R2 is what? This place 0, this place also 0. No need write action now. R2 plus 3R1. So 2 minus 3 how much? Second row it then.
Minus 1. Sir.
Minus 1. Then minus 3 plus 3. 0. Minus 6 plus 3.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Anyway, this is 0. Now R3 minus 2R1. Then what you will get? 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus minus plus. So minus 5 plus 2. How much?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Carefully can do. 4 minus 2.
2.
4 minus 2. Then 5 minus 2. Correct?
Sir, 4 minus 2 will be positive 2, right?
Thank you. Then 5 minus 2.
Positive 3.
3. Okay. Now, number below zeros. Then to the right number, you can bring here 0. See, why I am telling, once if you get the first column zeros, don't use the first row. If you use first row, means what? These zeros will collapse. Anywhere if you use row R1 with operation, if you want to make 0 here, if you use R1 this one, this 0 will collapse. So, what is the best chance? That's why I am telling indirectly, if we want to make first column 0, use first row. Means what? In remaining places, don't touch the first row. That is the meaning. If you go and disturb the first row, means what? The zeros will disturb or not? Whole thing collapse. What purpose you are doing the problem, whole thing will be collapse. So what I will told, now making second column 0, what I will do? Use second row. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
Now
Sir.
use, now do next. Similarly, what you get? Now I want to make 0 here. Number to the below, to the right, here 0. So R1 no change. R1 gives R1. This you can write identically equal to the previous. Then R2 also I am not disturbing. R2 also okay. I will be minus 1, 0, 3. R3 gives what?
R3 minus 3 R2
R3
minus 3 R2.
very good. R3 minus 3R2. If you, some people they may do the R2 divided by multiply by minus also. That is your wish. Then past you will get something you can do. Now tell me answer slowly. So it's because of this thing. If I use here R2 also, the already I got 0. These zeros don't disturb. So best procedure is what? If you want it second column 0, use second row. Keep in your mind strongly. Third column 0, only third row. Okay or not? Any problem?
No, sir.
Then now tell the answer now. This plus minus for me problem. You should help me. 0. Anyway, this 0, 0 don't disturb. Then R3 minus 2 minus 3 R2. This is 0. Then 2, that is anyway 0 base. Then R3, 3 plus 9, correct? sign or not?
Sir, in the second row it would be -3.
Second row. Acha. Then here 3 plus 9, 12. Correct?
12.
Yes, sir.
Am I correct? Check again. Once again, you can check. Now I will stop. Number below 0 to the right number, below 0 to the right number. Happily I reached. Now, R3 gives what? R3 implies what? From R3, what can I write?
x3 equal to 12.
2x3,
Oh,
yeah,
x-
what are the variables I given x1, x2, huh?
So
2x3
2
is equal to 12. From this x3 is equal to what?
6.
6. Now from R2 what I will reach? R2 nicely I got, okay. Some substitution is there, means I will, here happily 0 is there, if it is not there means I will bring it as substituted. R2 gives what, tell me? Minus x2 is equal to minus 3. So x2 is equal to 3. Now R1 gives is what? x1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. Substitute and see what are the values are getting. What is x1?
-2, sir.
Huh?
-2.
Confirm. Now solution set is what? -2, 3, 6. Wait, I'll check. -2, 3, 6. Go back and see the equations are satisfying. It's okay. Maximum is 99, 100% is satisfying. No doubt. Now this is called what? Gauss elimination method. The same problem if you want to, I will do by Gauss Jordan. Copy same question you can copy down again. You solve the given equations by using Gauss Jordan. You can write same question. You can write x1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. Minus 3x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 is equal to minus 6. 2x1 minus 5x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 5. Take down again, same question. Previous
Sir,
what I done? Yes.
so why can't
Tell me.
we directly make the equations from the matrix in the second step? Like for that 0, -1, 0 and -3, we can get x2 from that and then replace in the third.
Okay, but here you will get, suppose if you don't get, in this question you got nicely, all questions you don't expect, you know. But this is
Okay.
not a procedure. Gauss elimination means what? You can bring this shape actually, number below 0. From the back side, back substitution you have to come. Always you don't get by luckily this equation you got.
Okay.
Correct? Huh? Always 99% you don't get second equation like this. Always not that too. This is 3 by 3 matrix, 3 unknowns. So you are telling nicely. Suppose if it is 10 variables means what you will do? There you have to
Yes,
do
sir.
or not.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This you can, but one thing I can agree with you. Suppose this is any competition exam or you writing gate exam like this means what? That time you can use your tricky mind. But that time you can attack what, but there how you will think, I want to wash out the question, smash the question, so you can think and do attack. But here we cannot. This is the procedure, means procedure wise you have to go. If you go a competition exams, choose the answer, means what, as you like, you can play with the problem. Okay, right? Now the same problem what I am doing using Gauss-Jordan method. Okay, yeah. Gauss-Jordan means okay. First I written this. I will bring. Actually, they will bring here a unit matrix. Now I don't want to bring unit matrix. I will bring as actually diagonal matrix. On diagonal I will keep element. That is what? Diagonal matrix. After that I will make it as a unit matrix. Gauss-Jordan means what you want to make as a unit matrix. Initially I don't bring, but I will bring as a diagonal matrix. What is the meaning of diagonal matrix? Studied or not matrices?
It has zeros in its diagonal, or the opposite, it has only numbers and diagonals and everything else is zero.
So diagonal matrix means what? 1 0 0 0 1 sorry 0 2 0 0 3. Is it diagonal matrix or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The element stands only on diagonal. Correct? And another name is there. Suppose all diagonal elements are same as that also diagonal matrix, but the special name is there. What is it?
Scalar.
Very good. Nice. Yeah. Good. Scalar matrix. Every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but every diagonal matrix is not a scalar. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but every diagonal matrix is not a scalar. And another fellow is there, very, very important fellow. This fellow is what?
Unit
Formula
matrix.
matrix.
Unit matrix. Special name is there in matrices. How you will call this fellow? Special sticker you have to give. As you like, you don't give A, B, C, D like this. This matrix particularly how you will call?
I.
I means what? Why they are given I? Can you tell?
generalized,
matrix.
Identity matrix, sir.
Yes, tell me.
General matrix, sir. Same matrix.
Hey.
Identity matrix.
Identity matrix.
Sir, if you
Identity
multiply
matrix
this
is unit
matrix,
matrix. Only diagonal will be, element should be unit.
Other than sir, I was telling in different names.
Not different. I, if you give means what, on diagonal only can give 1 1 only. Don't give actually particular name only. Identity if it will means what, a unit matrix only. Don't no matrix, other matrix you don't give as a I. Special name is there. Identity matrix means what? 1 0 0 the square matrix on diagonal 1. Now you can listen. Identity matrix is a scalar matrix as well as a diagonal matrix. But every scalar matrix is not an identity matrix. Every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. But every diagonal matrix is not a scalar, not an identity. Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Am I confusing?
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir. See, every identity matrix is a scalar and diagonal. But every scalar is not an identity, but it's a diagonal. But every diagonal is not a scalar, not a identity matrix. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So, okay, leave it. Now, my aim is what? I want to bring here actually unit matrix, Gauss-Jordan method is. In A is what I want to make as a identity matrix. If I bring the identity matrix, it is what? X1 is equal to this fellow, X2 is equal to this fellow, X3 is equal to this fellow. But you don't confuse too much. Initially, don't bring the identity matrix. You can bring the diagonal matrix. Suppose if you get 2 is equal to something is what, can you divide or not? 3 is equal to something is, can you divide or not? First you can bring diagonal matrix. After that you can make as identity matrix. So Gauss-Jordan means what? You have to bring identity matrix in A as a, you can make as identity matrix. doing some operations. Okay, Arman. Now, what I told that should be very useful now. What I told, now this operation is okay. I want to make these two places 0. Now I want to make this is a number. Finally, I will make a unit matrix. Now you don't confuse. Diagonal I am telling. After that, finally I will make unit. Don't confuse too much. Now I want to make number here. I want to make 0, this 0. Now, what I told that should be very useful. So I am making second column zeros, means use only. What you will use?
Second row.
For making second column 0, who will come here help you?
Second row, sir.
So y means what? If I using second row means what? If I come means what? This 0 don't disturb. This number also don't disturb. Nicely I will get. If I want to make third column 0, I want to make number, these two places I want to 0. So means what? I will use third row. If I use third row means what? Here 0, already I will get 0. So nicely it won't disturb anything actually. So always you can keep in mind, if you want to make first column 0, use first row. Second column zeros means in second column zeros means what? Use second row. In third row, if you want zeros means use third column. Keep in mind throughout your life. Okay. Now you see. My first operation over. This I am doing now Gauss Jordan method. Same question. First I did actually using Gauss elimination. The same problem I am doing Gauss Jordan. Now you see how nicely we get. This operation over. This operation what you will do? Once if you get the first column, don't change the first row. R2. No. I want to make 0 here actually. R1 gives. What you will do here? I want to make 0 here. I want to make 0 here, make 0. So R1 gives what? You don't see this actually. Okay, these answer are close. Now I want to make number here. These two places I want to 0. So means what? R1 gives what? I want to make zeros in second column. Then what? Which operation you will do? Which row you will use? Second row. R1 gives what? Tell me. Are you there? Hello?
Sir,
Yes or no? Yes, R1 gives?
R1 only, right?
Tell me. R1 gives? I want to make 0 here.
Oh, R1?
R1
Yes, sir.
minus R2. Can you agree?
Oh, yeah.
Can you
Plus,
agree?
yeah. Yes, sir.
Then R2 no problem. R2 I don't disturb. R2 some number I want. Now R3 gives what? I want to make 0 here. This operation already you are done. R3. What? Same thing you have done. What you have done previous? Hey, now what you done here?
3 times of R2.
R3?
3 times of R2.
Why so much of confusion? Already half of the problem. Done. Now tell me, what is my R1?
Sir, what is what?
See, this one it won't touch because of this 0. R1 minus R2. Then this is what? 0. This is what? 1. Then 1 now, this is what? 4. Am I correct? Now R2 gives R2. R3 gives R3 minus 3R2. The previously already we done. What is that problem? Tell me.
So it will be -2.
What?
First row,
Tell
fourth
me.
column. First row, fourth column, it will be -2.
-2. Why?
Sir, because it is 3, no?
-4.
-4, sir, -4.
R.
2, 4, 4.
No, wait. What operation am I doing?
Sir, it's correct. It's -3.
R1 minus R2 I am doing. 4 only.
Yes, sir, it's correct only.
Hey, don't confuse me, yaar. Matrix for me getting fair actually. I am doing matrices. Okay. R3 minus R3 R2, you can tell me. 0, 0, then
2, 12.
2, huh? 2.
2 and 12, sir.
Now my name is what? Number below zeros to the right number. These two places I 0. I want to keep number 0. These two places I want to make 0. But obviously I got 1 0 happily. So top fill I want to make 0. Top fill I want to make 0 means what? Third column I want to make 0 means what I will use? What I will use? R3 alone.
Third row.
Correct or not? Huh? So what you will do? R1 gives what? See, using this row, I want to make 0 and 0 here. Already I got 0 here happily. So this one place. Actually, if I don't get this, I will make this also 0. Now my operation is what? Tell me. R1 gives, what you will do? 2R1 minus R3. I agree?
Sir,
2R1 minus R3. Are you agree?
sir,
2R1 minus R3.
excuse me, sir.
R2 no problem, already 0 is there. R3 as is. Now tell first row what is the answer, tell me. 1, 0, 0, 2R1 minus R3. So 8 minus 12 how much? 4, huh? Doing wrong.
-4.
-4, sir.
Correct answer, actually check.
Sir,
Yes.
is it possible to do R1 changes to R1 minus half R3?
Yes, operations anything you can do.
Okay.
Matrix multi application eligible actually. Allowed. Correct or not check, actually somewhere we are making mistakes. What is the value previously we got? Wrong answer anything. Somewhere we made mistake, check again. R1 gives R1, R2, same answer you have to get. 2, 12.
Sir, the first element is going to be 2 instead of 1.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Now that's why I'm breaking my head actually. Now R2 gives R2. Small mistakes we do. That is very dangerous actually. Now R3 gives R3. Actually, Gauss Jordan, what he is telling, you have to bring unit matrix. Now what I will do? R1 by 2, R2 gives R2 by -1, R3 gives R3 by 2. Now, how I will reach 1, 0, 0, minus 2, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 6. Now directly solutions are there or not in my hand. Now R1 gives what? X is equal to minus 2 or to this y is equal to 3, z is equal to 6. Sorry, not x, y, z. x1, x2, x3. So this is the way of doing. Correct or not? So Gauss-Jordan means what? You have to bring fully this side unit matrix. Directly you will tell answer. Gauss-Jordan means Gauss elimination means what? From final substitution, back substitution, you go and substitute. Both are same only. Correct or not? Now, can you do one question? I will give.
Sir, can you move little aside?
No. Do carefully operations. Very dangerous. Matrices, so many problems will come. Take 1 minute, I will put fan here. Completed. Shall I go? One problem we are doing is doing both methods. Solving the system of equation using Gauss elimination method. This is Gauss elimination method. If we have too much of time, we can say we can do is Jordan also. First you can prepare argument matrix. What do you need argument matrix? 28, 4, minus 1, 32, 1, 3, 10, 24, 2, 17, 4, 34. Always first element is 1 means somewhat safe. I can go smoothly. If it is nowhere 1 available means I can't do. I can multiply by both coefficients, I can bring the zero, it's not a big issue. If it is 1 is there means I can use. So far. See, if it is 1 is top means what easy. I can make these two places 0. So what I will do, I will shift the row. So what I will do? equals to my R1 gives R1. R2 means what is the meaning from this matrix? From previous matrix, this question I'm meaning. My previous R1 is now R2. That's the meaning. R2 is what? R1. R3 is R3. So what I will do? 1, 3, 10, 24, 28, 4 minus 1, 32, 2, 17, 4, 35. Now you can attack. My R2 gives what? What you will do? I want to get these two places 0. So R2, first column I want to make zeros. So use only R1. So R2 how you will write?
R2 minus 2 into
Continue
14.
tomorrow. I think
Yes, sir.
we can continue tomorrow. Okay, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Can we continue from tomorrow, from this year? Okay, I will stop here. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Join other class. Okay, can leave. Join other class, no problem. Okay, leave. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you add the
Okay, bye.
textbook PDF?